Good day, I'm Robin. I'm introducing you the Wecon new IPC models, the capacitive touchscreen. Here I have a 15 inches capacitive touchscreen and show you the back. Okay, here. And we have a stand on the back, and with this one we can make it stand on the table. Okay, like this. And let me power on it. Okay, this one is a 15-inch and it has a waterproof grade, the IP65 for the front panel. So the front panel has a waterproof. This one now we pre-installed Win 10 systems here. Wait. Okay, and this kind of touchscreen, its speed is much more quicker than the recessive one. Okay, much more quicker. So actually this kind of touch is just like our mobile phone, iPad. It touches is very quick. And I want to show you its side. You can see here is the mounting side. We can embed this IPC inside a box, inside a cabinet. So this was very thin. And let's see its back and the components. Here's its back and the ports I want to show you. And for here, RS232, we have 2 ports, and this is power, and this is Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi, and here Ethernet port, USB port, and the VJ and the HDMI. So actually all those specifications we can, they are all optional. We can make customizations for you. For this kind of IPC, our best using field is machinery and the system integrator, like a packing machine and some textile machine. And they need to run their programs in the PC. And for some integrators, and another thing is the kiosk machine and the self-service machinery, like ATM and the self-booking, self-selling machine, like that. So this is the PC today I want to introduce you. Do you like it? And welcome to Contact. Thank you.